Setting realistic goals, a step towards TOEFL and IELTS success. Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects of test preparation, setting realistic goals. Whether you're preparing for the TOEFL or IELTS, understanding how to set achievable targets can significantly impact your performance and motivation. When you embark on a journey to master a language or pass a challenging test like TOEFL or IELTS, setting goals becomes your roadmap. However, it's not just about setting any goals. They must be realistic. Here's why. Avoids overwhelming stress. Unrealistic goals can lead to unnecessary stress. If your targets are too high, the fear of not reaching them can be demotivating. Maintains motivation. Achieving smaller, realistic milestones can boost your confidence and keep you motivated throughout your preparation. Provides clear direction. Realistic goals guide your study plan and help you allocate time and resources efficiently. Setting realistic goals is an art and a science. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. 1. Assess your current level. Before anything, take a practice test. It provides an insight into your strengths and weaknesses. 2. Research the score requirements. If you're taking the test for a specific purpose, like university admission, understand the score you need. This becomes your ultimate target. 3. Break down the big goal. Divide your ultimate target into smaller milestones. For instance, if you wish to improve your score by 10 points, set bi-weekly or monthly goals to achieve 2 to 3 points. 4. Stay flexible. Life is unpredictable. There might be days or weeks where studying becomes challenging. It's essential to adjust your goals accordingly without being too hard on yourself. 5. Review and adjust. Periodically review your progress. If you've achieved a milestone earlier than expected, celebrate, and maybe adjust your next milestone. If you're lagging, analyze the reasons and tweak your study plan. Goal setting seems straightforward, but there are pitfalls to watch out for. Being overambitious. It's good to challenge yourself, but setting an unattainable goal in a short time will do more harm than good. Not reviewing progress. Merely setting goals isn't enough. Regularly checking your progress is key to ensuring you're on the right track. Ignoring weaknesses. While it's natural to focus on strengths, addressing weaknesses is crucial. Allocate more time to areas you find challenging. Setting realistic goals for your TOEFL or IELTS preparation isn't just about achieving a high score. It's about the journey, the learning, and growing as an individual. Remember that every small achievement is a step closer to your dream. Keep your goals realistic, stay flexible, and keep moving forward. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep pushing, and happy studying!